Gravity is like that invisible friend who keeps us grounded, literally. Imagine the Earth as a giant magnet, pulling everything towards its center. It's all about mass and distance. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. That's why the Earth tugs on us with a force that keeps our feet firmly planted. But here's the twist: gravity isn't just a one-way street. It's a cosmic dance. The Moon, for instance, is constantly being pulled by Earth's gravity, which is why we have those beautiful tides. And did you know that gravity can bend light? It's true. Massive objects like black holes warp the fabric of space-time, creating a gravitational lens that can magnify distant stars. So next time you drop something, remember, it's not just falling, it's part of a grand gravitational ballet that keeps our universe in harmony.